Bhagyalakshmi, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to explain the difference equation in Z transforms. So I choose to answer basic example. Solve yn plus 2 plus 4 into yn plus 1 plus 3 into yn, which is equal to 2 per n, where y not equal to 0 and y1 equal to 1 using Z transforms. I choose this one. We can solve now. So first let yn plus 2 plus 4 into yn plus 1 plus 3yn, which is equal to 2 power n. So for this, take Z transforms on both sides. So Z of yn plus 2 plus 4 into Z of yn plus 1 plus 3 into Z of yn, which is equal to Z of 2 power n. So for this, we can apply some difference formula for each and every term. So n plus 2, so up to power 2. So z square into f of z minus z square y0. So for the first two terms, z square will come. The second term onwards, in negative terms only will come. So here is first always write with the function. The second term will start with y0, then z y1. So up to y0, y1 only given, it is 0. So to recall this formula, plus 4 into same thing yn plus 1. So one time only. So upper z into f of z minus z into y0. So here up to y0, here one time only. So z y0 is 0 plus 3 into z yn. So z of yn, which is equal to f of z. You can replace by this one. So which is equal to z of 2 power n, that is z divided by z minus a is a formula. So what is a value? Is 2. So z minus 2. So we can apply this y0, y1 value here. So z square f of z minus y0 value is 0. So this value becomes 0. y1 is 1. So minus z will come plus 4z f of z and z not y0 value is 0. So the second term becomes 0 plus 3 f of z, which is equal to z divided by z minus 2. And then collect all the f of z in the difference side, which is f of z you are collecting in first term z square plus 4z plus 3 will come, and then extra 1 minus z is we are having. Take it to the right side. Z divided by z minus 2 minus z becomes plus z. Okay. So after this, see, this is look like the given equation. If we got like this, so we are doing same correctly. So next we can go for this f of z into f of z equal to, in the numerator take LCM. So z into z, this z write at first plus z into z square minus 2z. In the numerator, in the denominator z minus 2 we are having. And one more thing, I am taking this quadratic equation to the right side denominator. So z square plus 4z plus 3 will come. After this, 1z minus 2z. So you get z square minus z divided by z minus 2 into, factorize this term, z plus 1 and z plus 3. So z into z square, 1z plus 3z is 4z, 1 into 3 is 3. So we got the correct one. So this one, take z common, z minus 1 divided by z minus 2, z plus 1 and z plus 3. And one more thing, what I am doing means f of z. So I am going to follow the partial fraction in after this. So in the partial fraction, the second method I am going to follow. So for that, f of z divided by z equal to z minus 1 divided by z minus 2, z plus 1 and z plus 3. So for this f of z value becomes this one. For this alone we are going to take are going to calculate the value. So z minus 2 and z plus 1 and z plus 3. Take these. So we are having 3 rules. So take 3 values. A divided by z minus 2 plus b divided by z plus 1 plus c divided by z plus 3. So take LCM. In the left hand side we are having z minus 1. The right side, that is a into remaining. So close z minus 2, the remaining 2 write as z plus 1 into z plus 2 and plus b into. So for the b denominator is z plus 1. Close this around, remaining 2 we write. So z minus 2 and z plus 3 plus c into. So what is c? Z plus 3. So z plus 3 alone close it and remaining 2 write. So z minus 2 into z plus 1. So equating the left hand side, right side, you will get some answer. But here the roots values are given. So what are the root values are given means z equal to z minus 2 equal to 0 means z equal to 2 and second value z plus 1 equal to 0 means z equal to minus 1 and third value z plus 3 equal to 0 means z equal to minus 3. So applying these 3 values, equating in this equation, you will get a equal to 1 by 50 and b equal to minus plus 1 by 3 and c equal to minus 2 by 5. You will get these 3 values after this. So these 3 values we can substitute in this equation. So for this equivalent term, this simply we are named as f of z divided by z. So I am going to write in the left hand side as f of z divided by z, which is equal to a value is 1 by 50 into 1 divided by z minus 2 and then b value is 1 by 3 into this 1 divided by z plus 1 and c value is minus 2 by 5 into 1 divided by z plus 3. So after this, I am taking this z to the right side. So each and every time we multiply by z. So first term is z, second term is z, third term is z. We are going to multiply. So we will get 1 by 50 z divided by z minus 2 plus 1 by 3 z divided by z plus 1 minus 2 by 5 z divided by z plus 3. And here what I am going to do is this plus 1 means minus of minus 1. This plus 3 means minus of minus 3. That is z minus 3. In that concept I am writing. And this is f of z. Because this z only we take with the numerator. After this we are applying in z inverse. So z inverse of f of z in both sides, which is equal to 1 by 50 into z inverse of z divided by z minus 2 plus 1 by 3 z inverse of z divided by z minus of minus 1 minus 2 by 5 z inverse of z divided by z minus of minus 3. Okay, so after this directly we can apply formula is z inverse of z divided by z minus a, which is equal to, you know that z inverse of z divided by z minus a, which is equal to a power n. So what is a given here? The first value becomes 2 and the second a value is minus 1, the third a value is minus 3. So these 3 values we can this, we will get the answer. So here z inverse of f of z, which is equal to, that is the given sum only we are writing. The answer for the final one is 1 by 50, a value is 2 power n plus 1 by 3 into a value is minus 1 to the power n minus 2 by 5 into here a value is minus 3 to the power n. That's all, the answer is 4. Thank you.